Looking back at your childhood, do you remember what was the app or game you first used? What was the app that changed your life? Right now, 91% of smartphone owners use apps in their everyday life. But when I was a child, there was nothing like it. I remember a black-white snake game and then a colored bounce ball. And how could I play them without first asking my parents to allow me to use the PC? Wow, I can tell you that was mind-blowing. And now, in less than 50 years, we already have VR games on our smartphones. That's even more mind-blowing. But never could this have happened without the pioneers, brave thinkers, status quo breakers, who have pushed the boundaries of science to the way we see and enjoy it today. Now, I invite you to celebrate such thinkers of today, top 20 developer teams who have made it to the finals of HMS App Innovation Contest. With Up, we try to uncover the hidden gems in the world of innovation and app development, who with the help of a suite of tools and resources available through Huawei mobile services and HMS Core, created and developed innovative apps which enabled to navigate everyday life of the users more easily. Throughout 3 months, we received more than 2,000 team applications and have received more than 700 innovative apps and games. Selecting only 20 apps wasn't an easy task at all. All the apps should have integrated HMS Core services into their apps. What we also took into account was, firstly, positive social influence. Does the app facilitate progress within the industry? Does it resolve social problems? Secondly, the excellent visual and functional design. Is the app operation stable, service responsive, and user privacy protected? Thirdly, market positioning. Does the app have clear target users and a feasible business plan? And lastly, obviously we looked through at the breakthrough technical features and designs, especially compared with existing products. To make sure all the aspects are evaluated by the experts in those fields, App Contest comprises a diverse panel of renowned industry experts in tech, business, innovation, investment, and gaming. Although the judges will give the main feedback during the finals, we asked some of them to comment on what did they think of the quality of apps, and what would they say to those who made it to top 20 and those who didn't.
When we designed the App competition, our goal was to shake the grounds of the apps development industry and to wake up those developers and that talent that lies under the surface and that didn't have yet the opportunity to thrive, and then show this talent to our 700 million users. We were impressed by the quantity of applications to our competition, but mainly by the quality of them. It was a very good surprise to see the fresh drive and determination of developers to help in areas such as social well-being or education, which clearly has a component of helping society, which is very well aligned with the Huawei standards. We are about to open our selection of the top 20 apps to the public vote, and we hope that the public will also will align with us on that quality and the elements that made us select these apps, that will prove that this competition is not only valuable for Huawei, but mainly for you, the end users. May the best ones win.
Hi, I'm Renee Gittens, the Executive Director of the International Game Developers Association, the IGDA, and a judge for the Up contest. When I'm looking at the apps and games that have been submitted for this contest, I'm going to be judging their quality based on their value to the user and the emotions that they invoke. Now, what I mean by that is quality-wise, value-wise, I'm looking for things that either provide the user with functionality that they don't have normally, that's something they would use in their daily lives, or that is something that can help change their lives for the better. This can be an app that helps them with their day-to-day, or it can be a game that helps them connect with a story to transform their world. When it comes to invoking emotion, I mean a wide range. If it's a horror game, that's fear. If it is a satisfying button press, that invokes emotion too. It's those little tiny elements that help tune and really make something feel satisfying to use, and that can bring a little joy to your life. For those developers who have worked hard for this contest and were unable to get into the top finalists, I want to say it's okay. Every single thing you do to promote your games, to promote yourself, to expand your skill set, to expand your audience is valuable. And I want to thank you for your efforts. I know that you're all very talented and passionate, and I look forward to seeing what you create next.
Hi to all. I just read the descriptions of your applications. I'm impressed. Lots of innovative, socially important solutions that have also business potential. I see that we will have a big problem choosing the finalists, but if you are not among the winners, don't worry about it, because your success may or may not depend on the prizes in such contests. It still depends on you to encourage people to use your applications, so keep going and good luck.
I would like to thank all developers who submitted their mobile applications to the Apps App competition. I'm really impressed by your ideas, quality and innovative value of your mobile applications. Also, I would like to congratulate the top 20 finalists.
Thank you all the judges for your comments. Technology can really make even the quietest voice heard. So no matter if you're among today's winners or not, we encourage you to take every chance to make your voice heard. The finalists to be announced shall be a step closer to receiving a piece of $200,000 prize fund. So, let's go. Top 20 finalists of HMS App Innovation Contest are: Virtual Assistant DataBot is a virtual customizable assistant with the help of HMS Core Machine Learning Kit. This AR answers with its voice to users' requests upon topic that they're interested in. Apps and services integrated in the assistant give back users the images, text, voice search, multimedia presentations, and much more. Schoolio app is an app aiming to improve the lives of students via such features as interactive timetable with sharing option, which allows you to track grades and set goals for subjects, creating and sharing of tasks, a future space where users can playfully learn and browse free job offers, a marketplace for offering learning material and other related stuff, and also a social space where students can find other students nearby and connect with them via chat. This app was created using HMS Core location and analytics kits. The next one is Fun Easy Learn. Learn 34 languages. What if everyone could learn a language, no matter which country they live in, the language they speak, or money they have? That's why Fun Easy Learn app offers offline access, localization-based pricing tiers, and free learning opportunities to the speakers of 62 mother tongues, which makes 95% of the world's population. Learn more than 61 languages, 25 of which you could only find through this app. Runbit is a running app where you have to worry only about being chased by monsters moving walkways around you and still appreciate it. It allows you to build and customize your own games within the app. And the GPS, together with Huawei Location Kit, turns every walk or run into a treasure hunt. You can also challenge your friends and follow each other's progress. Custom Widget Maker. With this app, you can create customized watches like digital and analog clocks, life map and weather widget, text widget, sophisticated battery and memory meters, randomly changing images, music players, wall clocks, news, and so much more. Imagination is the limit. Complete rhythm trainer. Learn to read, recognize, tap, and write rhythms from simplest to most advanced. Rhythm is one of the most important aspects of music and one that every musician should become proficient in. Designed like a video game using HMS Core Game Service Kit and with a strong pedagogical concepts in mind, this app will make you master rhythm while rendering the learning process enjoyably. Marble AR is a social network in augmented reality. This app allows you to drop so-called marbles at any location in the real world. This works as real time capsules that can be filled with any kind of digital content. Imagine you're at your favorite holiday spot with your kids, having a great time, and you want to keep that special moment alive. So you drop a marble, record a video, and place it right where you are. These marbles stay there forever and document your journey through this life. The app was also created using Huawei AR engine and Game Service Kit. Sun Locator Light predicts the sun and moon position and its path at a specific location during the course of a day using HMS location and map kits. Anticipate lightning conditions and in photography, filming, real estate, architecture, outdoor activities, for example, setting up a camp, solar panel positioning, gardening, and so much more. Peaklands is an augmented reality and virtual reality app for mountain lovers, hikers, and trekkers developed by students. It will transform your mountain activity into an amazing experience, allowing you to get a deeper knowledge of the mountains, to create stunning photos enriched with most accurate information about the peaks in the view. The app is using HMS Core Location Kit.
Pocket Code will teach you how to create, play, and share your own game directly on the smartphone in a visual, easy-to-learn, and intuitive, fun way. It will allow you to create apps using a fast game physics engine, all the phone's sensors, including the camera for AR and AI-based games, as well as multi-touch screens for gamepad-controlled games played on large TV screens. No PC or laptop is needed to create a real app entirely on one's phone.
PlantSnap app. With its help, you can identify plants, flowers, and trees in just seconds. There's a social community to interact with fellow nature enthusiasts in every country on Earth. You can explore a map created with HMS Core Kit to view photos taken by other plant snappers around the world. There's a searchable database of over 600,000 types of plants. Share the photos with friends and other entire PlantSnap community. Become a citizen scientist by helping PlantSnap map the location of every plant species on the Earth by 2022. Earthquake Network app allows you to receive real-time alerts, to send reports for felt earthquakes, to receive data from national and international seismic networks, to chat with other people during earthquake emergency, and to automatically send smartphone coordinates to the list of trusted contacts when the damaging earthquake happens. Location and map features were built using HMS Core SDKs. Now we come to the best games. 100 Doors is game from school. The main function of this game is to escape the room by unlocking the door after having solved a given set of puzzles or problems. Each level requires the player to solve a problem related to the room the player is in. For example, a chemistry lab will require some chemistry knowledge. With each level passed, you will collect coins, which can later be used to purchase additional hints or skips if needed. Cooking Mania. Upgrade your kitchen and serve your customers. In this food maker game, learn how to cook new recipes like hot chicken wings with French fries and chips. Beat your fever of cooking by doing delicious meals, dishes, and desserts from every country of the world. Tap Venture, a casual game where you need to reach the treasure on each map. Streamer Sim Tycoon game. In this Streamer's Live simulation game, you start your own broadcasting channel where you live stream content from your computer, accumulate viewers and followers, upgrade your skills, and rise to the top toy box party game. match the same color cubes and combine boosters for the biggest explosion to blast. Genius Brain is a tricky game puzzle full of brain teasers and tricky games which users can entertain themselves with. Spingram aims to reinvent the classic Rubik's Cube in a unique way that works well on mobile. All you have to do is swipe to rotate the different sides of the cube until it matches the reference pattern that sits in the top half of the screen. Blackout Age is a multiplayer RPG survival which takes place in a post-apocalypse world generated on a real map. In the game, the player leads a group of scavengers who scavenge buildings for resources, craft weapons, and fight against aliens who attacked Earth after a global blackout. The main technologies used by the contestants while creating the games were HMS Core Game Service Kit and in-app purchase kit. That concludes Apps Up Top 20 finalists list. Now, the teams shall enter the public review stage, where each of you can take part and vote for the favorite app. It's very easy. First, what you have to do is scan the QR code on the screen and go to Apps Up website. There, you will see the 20 teams' pitch videos telling you about the app and technologies they used. What you have to do is sign in, vote for the app you liked most, and additionally, all the apps will be available in the App Gallery App Store for download and truly immersive experience. Lastly, decide who is the best and win. After voting, make sure to participate in the lucky draw. Thank you so much to all the participants and judges. See you at the finals.